Welcome back to another video from Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some air fry honey jerk salmon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload all my contents. All that I'll be using to prepare my honey jerk salmon will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my honey jerk salmon. Some smoked paprika, some Old Bay season, some garlic powder, some dark soy sauce. You'll be needing some dry jerk seasoning, and also you'll be needing some ground white pepper. You need some all-purpose seasoning, some honey, some onion powder, and also you're gonna need your salmon. Here I'm using 500 grams of boneless salmon. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now guys, I'm gonna start out by removing my salmon from this package here. Washing and cleaning up my salmon in some lemon water. You want to get yourself a shine basin also. Guys, if you don't have lemon, you can always get vinegar or lime to clean up your salmon. This guys, you want to make sure you rinse off that rawness off of your fish. This guys. And you want to make sure when you're cleaning it up, guys, clean off the back of your salmon here. You know you got some scale on the back of it. So you want to make sure you clean it up properly. Yes guys. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished cleaning up my salmon. Now here you have it guys, it's all freshly cleaned up in some vinegar water. That's what I use guys. I didn't use any lemon, but if you got lemon as well as I said before, or lime, you can use it to clean up, wash and clean up your salmon. Yes guys, and you want to make sure, as what I said, to clean up the back of your salmon here guys. This is what come off of it. This is just some of it, the scale. Yes guys, that's not good for you. If you don't want to scrape it guys, you can always peel off the skin, but I keep the skin on it guys to keep my salmon moist and juicy when I put it into my air fryer. Yes guys, you don't want to peel off that skin. It's up to you if you want to do it. But now guys, look at that, it's looking beautiful and clean. Now I'm just going to put this to the side. Yes guys, now I'm going to get a bowl where I'll be putting all my dry ingredients in. Powder seasoning, I should say. I'll be combining all of them together guys. That's my onion powder, that's 1 teaspoon inside that bowl there. Now I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of my dry jerk seasoning. Here I got 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder. Nice. Now I'm going in with my Old Bay seasoning. I'm using just a teaspoon Old Bay seasoning. Now I'm going in with my paprika, just a teaspoon also. My all-purpose, I'm using just a teaspoon of that. And measurement. My ground white pepper. Just a teaspoon. Now you just want to combine those together guys, mix them up properly. Now I'm going to get my dark soy sauce into that now. Just a teaspoon of that guys. And also I'm adding my honey into that. About 2 tablespoons. Yes, guys. Now you want to combine those together now guys. Mix those around properly. If you got even a small, one of those little small whisk at home, you can go ahead and use that. If you don't have it, just use a small teaspoon to mix up your seasoning together. That dark soy sauce and that honey. Now here you have it guys, look at that. beautiful. You can smell that honey and that soy sauce and that seasoning, especially the jerk seasoning, guys. You can smell it. It smells so amazing. Now this is what you're gonna use to season up your salmon now. Yes, guys. Get out. Just spread there. Spread my cutting board. I'm just gonna put my salmon into that now, guys. You're gonna go ahead and get yourself a brush. We'll be brushing on your seasoning onto your salmon now. Here you have it, guys, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna take my knife and start to slice up my salmon because I'm gonna get some on the sides. I'm trying to cut this into at least 4 to 5 pieces. Yes, guys, look at that. I'm telling you, the salmon's looking beautiful. Smelling so nice, this seasoning. Wow. Put them apart, guys. Now I'm just gonna take some of my seasoning again and try to put on the side down there. This guys, I'm gonna paste it. Make sure your seasoning get on the side here, both of them. Guys, I'm just gonna leave this to marinate for about 20 minutes and I'll get right back to you guys. Now it's been about 20 minutes since my salmon has been here marinating with that lovely season that I put on it, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's looking so beautiful and I'm telling you, it's smelling so nice. Now you want to go ahead and get your air fryer. Yes, guys, remove my pan. I'm putting my salmon in. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna take some more of my season just to add on the top. Mix with the coat. Telling you guys, when these salmons are finished, they'll be finger licking, guys. They will tasting so nice. This is so easy to do, guys. If you got an air fryer at home, especially if you come from work tired. You can't bother to go around the stove and you got your air fryer and you got some salmon in the fridge there. Yes, guys. Even if you got some chicken, even some chicken wings, guys, you can make this seasoning the same way and put on it with your honey, with all those ingredients that they say I put in there with the honey. Yes, guys. Remove this. Pop this straight into my air fryer now. Now the air frying it on 180 Celsius. Yes, guys, for about 25 minutes, guys. Normally when I'm doing it in the oven, I put it on. I do it for 30 minutes. Yes, guys. But I'm just gonna leave it for 25 minutes in my air fryer. I'll get right back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys. It's about that time. Now I'm just gonna remove my salmon from my air fryer now. Just gonna look at that. Wow. I wanna smell them, guys. Smelling so delicious. I wish I was in the kitchen to smell this aroma. It's coming from these salmons. Smelling so nice, guys. I'm just gonna remove my salmons. Breaking up, guys. Just to take them out. Guys, wow. beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, it smells so nice. This is how you want to prepare your jerk salmon, your honey jerk salmon, I should say, at home. Especially when you come from work, guys. You're feeling a bit lazy. You don't want to go around the stove. This, guys. Beautiful. So you want to prepare your jerk salmon at home for you and your family and friends. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about these honey jerk salmon when you give them a try at home with you and the family and friends. Yes, guys. All you have to do is follow my step-by-step ingredients to make these honey jerk salmons. Yes, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.